In this video, we will make the subscriptions able to be viewed on YouTube channel. Sign in with our Google account. Visit our YouTube channel in another browser window. Visit it without signing in any Google or YouTube accounts. Click Channels. There is no channel link there. The channel doesn't feature any other channels. Try subscribing to several YouTube channels. Visit our YouTube channel again. Then, click Channels. There is still no channel link there. Visit youtube.com in the initial browser window. Click Profile icon at the upper right corner of the window. Then, click Settings. We can also visit youtube.com/account. Click History and Privacy. Uncheck Keep all my subscriptions private under Likes and Subscriptions. Then, click Save. Back to another browser window. Then, click Channels. We can see some YouTube channels under Subscriptions. They are channels that have been subscribed before.